Hey guys, what's up? Hopes you all are doing well and watching my videos. If you are, do so give this video a big thumbs up and consider to subscribe and like my channel. So guys, as you have seen in the title, today we're gonna be installing Windows 11 on our computer or laptops without losing any data. And I must tell you that it's a stable version. So no, it's nothing like you're gonna find a bug in it or something like that. And yeah, you're not gonna lose any data, but there is still not 0.1% chance of you losing your data. So make sure you have created a backup. So I have just connected my USB over here, and what I have done is over here, as you can see, my USB drive. So what I've done is I have put all of the important files I might need if the data got deleted for my projects or whatever I'm doing. Okay, so I have them, so they are secured. Okay, so make sure you have still created a backup, even though there's 0.1% chance of you losing your data, but you still don't want to take risks, do you? Okay, so now let's get into the video. So first of all, come to your browser, and then over here you should search download Windows 11. Okay, and now you're gonna see two websites, one this and one this. They both are from Microsoft, but I want you to click over here. And yeah, make sure before you even download it, make sure you come to PC Health Check, download that, and where is it? PC Health Check, or there. Okay, so what it tells you is that if your PC is compatible with Windows 11 or not. So over here, it is telling me that my PC meets the Windows 11 requirements. So great news, Windows 11 is free and coming soon. Check the specification. Okay, so now make sure you have checked that. And once it says yeah, you can download it. You can also check it from updates and check for updates. Okay, it's on settings, and then when you come over here, you can see it says great news, your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. Okay, and now you're gonna see three links once you have come to this website. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Now it's not a third-party app website; it's Microsoft's official website. So now you're gonna see one which says Windows 11 Installation Assistant, one which says Create Windows 11 Installation Media, and one which says Download Windows 11 Disk Image. Now, the one we need is Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Okay, so click on download now. Now I have already downloaded it right over here, so I don't have to re-download it. Okay, now once you have downloaded it, right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Click on yes. And then once you have seen this, you don't have to go through and read it, but if you want to, you can go ahead and read it, and then just click on accept and install. Now it's gonna take a bit of time depending on your network speed. If it is very good, then it will take around 1 to 2 minutes, but if it's not that good, it's gonna take around 30 to 40 minutes, I guess. But as you can see, mine is almost done, so while I was speaking. So now it says step 2 of 3. And now I might have to come out of my PC when it's restarted. So yeah, it says it's okay, keep using your PC, but we will restart your PC 30 minutes after we reach 100% on the screen. So make sure to save your work frequently. Now once it's going to be restarted, I'm gonna get out of my screen and I'm gonna show you I'm gonna show it with my phone or mobile, so you can see what's happening, because I can't record while it's restarting. And then make sure that, again, I would say that you have a backup, okay? Because if you don't have a backup, and say if you are one of those people who are unlucky, that they're from one of those people who got 0.1% chance of losing their data, and then you can't just go back to your Windows 10 and then save it, because what happens is you just when you say to them, keep nothing, it will just delete everything from the computer. It will just install a clean Windows 11 as you would buy one Windows from somewhere. I mean, you can buy from PC Korea or anywhere else, okay? And you're gonna be like, oh yeah, that's fine. And once you have bought, once you have bought a Microsoft computer or Windows computer, you're not gonna see all of these files as you can see over here. Okay, so it will be a clean install, but you don't want that. If you want that, and you have created a backup process for your computer, then that's good to go. But if you haven't created a backup and you're going for keep nothing, and if there is an important file which you needed to create a backup but you couldn't because you just said keep nothing and you couldn't save it, that I don't think so there's a chance of going back and then seeing all of those files over there. But yeah, it's up to you, whatever you think, okay? But if you still want to go for clean a setup, just do one thing, which is those files which you think are very important, just save them to a USB drive, okay? That's what I did, as you can see. I mean, okay, so I'm gonna see you when it's done. So yeah. And guys, one more thing which I would like to tell you. If during the restart it is stuck on any percentage like 67 or 68, then I would suggest just leave it for 15 to 30 minutes. It's gonna change, but do not shut your computer down and make sure it's plugged in, okay? Because if your laptop's battery goes down, it means you don't have either Windows 10 or 11 and then it's got corrupted. So don't do that at first, and then don't shut down your computer if it's in the middle of the restart and it's stuck on 60% or something. It is going through, it's just running the process. As you can see, it's over here, it's stuck on 72, okay? But don't worry about that, it's just running the programs behind the scenes, okay? So yeah, don't worry about that, it is going to go through. And if it's stuck on 100% for 24 hours, let's just say, then try to shut down and then turn it back on, because there's a chance of it being downloaded the Windows 11 but you couldn't see it, or because that will happen to me when I installed Windows 11 back when it came out, and then it was stuck on 100%. I shut it down and then I turned it back on. It was Windows 11, okay? But I would say just wait, because it really needs some patience. So yeah, now I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna see you when it's done. So guys, after a bit, it did start to restart. It asked me to restart it. I said, okay, I'm gonna restart it now. And right now, as you can see, it's restarting, and I think it's a bit fast right now, which is good. But it did take a lot of time to on step 3. It took me, I think, 1 hour something. And yeah, it was it did took me quite a bit while for it, but yeah, now it's done, so it's restarting. Okay, still restarting. Okay, so now it just runs blank. Let's see. Okay. So it's working on updates right now. And remember, if it's stuck somewhere, if any number like 52, 62, 82, 92, even 100, just let it be, because it's going to go through in a bit while. But say if it's been 24 hours of it being just stuck on a number, on a specific number, doesn't matter if it's 100% or 1%, I would recommend to shut your computer down, okay? Because I know it's a bit risky. Yeah, it might get corrupted, but there's no point of just turning it like on and stuff. And like 90% is a chance that it's going to install Windows 11, because that's what happened to me earlier when I downloaded Windows 11 at the start when it just came out, and then it was stuck on 100%. And then I shut it down, I turned it back on, and it was Windows 11. So yeah. But you would be saying that why did I came back to Windows 10? Because I think it was too early for me to just come to Windows 11 at that time. But now they have just launched a stable version of it. So the people who have downloaded the stable version are completely good to go. And there's nothing like which might be like a bit dangerous or something like which would be laggy. So there's no bugs in the stable version, which I have just installed, and you might have installed if you're looking if you're seeing this video. So yeah, so right now as you can see it's on 73 for like past 30 seconds, and yeah, and I think yeah it did took me quite a bit while. It depends on your network how fast it is. So yeah, I mean if you're still stuck on the step 3, just do it what it want to, because sometimes it depends on your network. Okay, I'm excited. See my cursor. Well, hey guys, look, check this out. I have Windows 11. So give me 1 second and I will enter my password. Okay, now this stuff. Okay, hi. Getting things ready for you. Okay, I'm gonna skip this part. And yeah, don't turn off your PC. That's what it says over here. Don't turn off your PC, because yeah, I don't know why, but like yeah, if they have said it, you have to agree with it. Because the other developers don't know like why you shouldn't turn off your PC, and I'm not going to do that. Yeah, it is plugged in. And yeah, make sure your PC is plugged in. Or if you have a laptop like me, make sure it is plugged in and getting charged. Because if any point your battery goes down, it's done. Alright? By the way, last time when I did when I was installing it, it did took me a lot of time. So this one is a bit fast. Just, yeah. Okay, so look, here's the proof. Okay, let's go away right now. Look, all of my files are saved over here, as you can see. None of them got moved or anything like that. All my applications which I pinned to taskbar are still over here. So here's the proof that nothing will happen. Okay, so let's come to settings and let's see what we can do. Settings. Alright, cool. Okay, my bad. I was a bit excited. Personalization. Okay, I need a wallpaper. There we go. Oh yeah, finally the wallpaper is here. Okay, so as you can see, none of my apps got moved. None of my websites or whatever folders I had didn't got moved. Even though, and also, oh, you can't see the taskbar. Let me come to my, let me record my screen. So yes, guys, as you can see, none of my apps or folders got moved. And even if I would come to my file explorer now, cool. So you can see nothing got moved. So here's the proof. But if you're one of those people who's did got moved, as I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you did created a backup, because right now I don't think so we will have an option to go back. Oops. Oh no, not Google. Settings. Let's see if you can go back if you did messed up. Not display. Recovery. Oh yeah, so you can go back, but you only have 10 days. Make sure if you have if you did go something messed up, for example, if you forgot a file or something like that, make sure you just go back, but you only have 10 days. Make sure that in your mind. You can still come back. Just get a USB, go back to your Windows 10, get that file if it is still over there, and then reinstall Windows 11. Simple. Come to this video and then just follow the steps. Okay, so I hope so you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please give this video a big thumbs up and consider to subscribe and like my channel. It really encourages me to create more content for you guys just like this one.